Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to revise chapter 3, which we have did earlier. So, in this chapter, we have to discuss about the prime numbers, factors, multiples. So, first we will discuss about the factors. Factor number divides a number without leaving a remainder. It's called a factors. Prime number, if we talk about the prime number are the number which have only two factors. One is 1 and other itself. Suppose 3. 3 is a prime factor. 3 is a prime factor having only two factors. What? One is 1 and other is 3 the itself. If we talk about the 4, 4 having the two factors. More than two factors. If we talk about the 4, 1 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 2. So 1, 2, 4. So 4 having more than two factors. So 4 is not a prime number. Number which have only two factors. So if we talk about numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. So all these are the prime number because they all are having only two factors. One is 1 and another is the itself the number. Next is the composite number. Numbers that have more than two factors, we call it composites. Suppose if we take the example 4, so 4 having 1, 2 and 4 having more than two factors, so 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. If we talk about 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 is also a composite number. So these are all about the numbers, prime number, composite numbers. Now, next thing we will discuss upon the prime factors. We will discuss upon the prime factors. Prime factors, factors of a number which are the prime. Suppose if we take an example, of 36. If we find out the factors, 1 multiply 36, 2 multiply 18, 3 multiply by 12, 4 multiply by 9, 6 multiply by 6. So all these are factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors. But if we talk about prime factors, so prime factors we have only two and 3. So 1 is neither a prime nor composite. If we talk about 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this is all about the 1. These are the prime factor. Now we will take some more example for finding the factors, prime factors. We are taking some more example of prime factors. We have to find a factor of 60. How can we find? We have to find the prime factors of 60. First, we have to find the factors. 1 multiply by 60, 2 multiply by 15, 3 multiply by 20, 4 multiply by 15, 5 multiply by 14, 6 multiply by 10. So these are the factors by which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 14, 15, 20 and 60. For prime factors 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime factors. These are all of prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. So in this way we can take out the prime factors. Next is factor tree. So factor tree is there. Suppose we have to find the prime factors of 48 through the factor tree. So 48. So we can say that it is divisible by 2. Answer is 24. Again, it is a prime number, so it does not having any factors. 24, it has having a factors. When it divided by 2, the answer is 12. It is a prime factor, so it is not having any factor. 12 is a factor. It was divisible by 2. We got the answer 6. Now 6 is again divisible by 2 and 3. So in this case, the factors which we are having here, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So prime factors we are having 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So these are the prime factors which are in front of us. In this way we can take out the prime factor of any number through this factor tree. Next is the HCF. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor. HCF. Highest common factor. H for highest, C for common and F for factor. HCF. Suppose we have to find out the HCF of, we have to find the HCF of 12 and 16. What we have to do, first we have to take out the factors. Factors of 12. Factors of 12 is 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. So in front of us we have factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to find out the factor of 16. 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 4. So factor 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now which is the highest among all? So as you see, this 4 is common in both. So this is the highest common factor. So HCF of 12 and 16 equals to 4. In this way we can find out the HCF. Now the second method for finding the HCF is prime factorization method. Which method? Prime factorization method. Suppose we have taken an example of, we have to find out the HCF of 44, 60 and 36. Now the factor of 44 with the help of prime factorization, divisible by 44 divisible by 2, we got the answer 22. Again 22 is divisible by 2, we got the answer 11. Though 11 is a prime factor, it is not divisible by anyone, it is divisible by itself, so the answer is 1. We will take 60 divisible by 2, 30, 30 again divisible by 2, answer is 15, 15 divisible by 3, the answer is 5. 5 is divisible by itself because prime is a prime factor. prime number. Next is 36. Divisible by 2, we got the answer 18. 18 is divisible by 2, we got the answer 9. 9 is divisible by 3, we got the answer 3. 3 is itself divisible by 3, we got the answer 1. Now student, as we write the factors here, 44, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. 60, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 36, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So we have to find the SCF. The common in 3, this 2 is there, this 2 is there. 3 is common in this, but is not present here. So we cannot write the 3. What is the SCF? 2 multiplied by 2. So the SCF is 4. In this way, we can find out the prime factorization using we find the SCF with the help of prime factorization method. Now student, what is the homework for today? What you have to do? Homework for the day, you have to revise exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. Student, you have to revise exercise 3.1 and 3.2. That's all for today. Thank you students.